Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
The iPhone X does not include an ultra-wide native lens. It ships with a 28mm equivalent wide lens and a 52mm telephoto lens. To achieve a wider field, you must use hardware or software workarounds. Clip-on lenses give physical wider coverage with 0, 5x or 0, 4x magnification. Software options stitch multiple frames into one wide image. Choose the approach that preserves image quality and suits your shooting conditions. Select a clip-on wide lens rated 0, 5x or 0, 4x magnification and multi-element glass. Prefer lenses advertising 100 degrees to 120 degrees field and low distortion coatings. Align the lens carefully over the iPhone X camera and tighten the clip for stability. Use the stock camera app or a manual app to check framing. Watch for vignetting and edge softness, which are common at the field extremes. Mitigate issues by slightly cropping or applying lens correction in post. Install a panorama or manual stitching app to simulate ultra-wide images on iPhone X. Shoot sequences while keeping the phone steady and use a tripod for consistent overlap. Start at 1x and pan smoothly for even exposure and alignment across frames. Third-party camera apps can also offer distortion correction and lens profiles for clip-on hardware. Always save original images before heavy editing and compare clip-on and software results for the best final image.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.